Oh, crap. Like money talks, 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 money talks. Okay, guys, so basically, we're just gonna do like 3 laps around the neighborhood, and we're pulling up to that first one. We're gonna turn around and go home. And yes, this is a bike. It's not a filter. I can change the colors. Still, like, wait. I thought my battery just died. That was close. So type in the chat which color you'd like better. I wish I had pink. That'd be cool. Why did that keep going off? Okay, we're gonna keep it on red. Lucas. Do you want to? Oh, they keep. I think my batteries are dying. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get back to the house. But I am still gonna keep on video, even though my lights stop working. I'm on the side. Bro, every time when I ride one-handed, I always go to like the side. But, oh, we got some light here. But not for now. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have it like the whole way. Sounds like by this fire hydrant. Not gonna have it. Yes, I'm riding one hand all the way here, and my legs hurt. Okay, we made it up the hill. No. My money talks. My money talks. I like that song. Don't ask why. It was like a meme in like 2025. It was like when I hit New Year. It was like money talks. Like money talks. And then they got new audio, and now it's like money talks. Like money talks. The old audio was horrible. It was like money talks, money talks. Like no one liked it until yeah. I don't know who made the second edit. Oh crap! I almost went into the side. I hate the side because then I like get my tires. Grandma, my batteries died. My batteries died.
They did?
Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah, guys. I'm at my grandma's house, and my lights blew out on my bike. Cause I take batteries. They're not even RPG lights. They're in the bike. They're like inserted into the bike, and I think that's pretty cool. Oh crap! What? Guys, I just crashed. But I don't know where my cousin went. I don't think he went home, because home is like maybe a mile away from here. And I cut it because it was a long time, like 20-minute ride back. But I can't find my cousin for some reason. I don't know why. I just can't find my cousins. But I'm going to take you guys back to the house. See you there.